everybody. Hi, welcome. I am so excited about today because I get to be one of the first to tell you FASHOM is back. What? Let's get into all the details. Before we get into everything, I'm Laura. If you're new, I have furry psychics like to hang out with me. Wyatt's the white puppy dog, Zena's the tan, Harvey's the kitty. And we sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'm excited today also because this is the first time I am filming in my brand new redone closet. So we're going to try this out and hope it works. And I thought it was the perfect way to also talk about the brand new FASHOM box. So the brand new relaunch of FASHOM is effective October 1st, so we are into it. And they are back better than ever with fresh styles, new brands that you are going to be so excited about. And their boxes are better than ever. So they're back with brand new inventory, 5 pieces, $95 for a value of over $250 for each box. And that's including shipping. So they'll be picking out your styles based on your preferences, your profile, and your sizes. And with this box, they only take exchanges with a shipping fee. So do keep that in mind. We're going to get into my box and see how my pieces work out. So let's dig right in. So there are no returns with this box. You can, like I said, exchange with a shipping fee, but no returns. So you're going to want to be very descriptive about what styles you like, making sure that you have your sizes updated. So if you haven't been out to your FASHOM profile for a while, make sure that you revisit it. And of course, I have a discount code for you. If you use my link, you'll get $10 in credit towards your next box. All right, let's dig in. So when I open my box, this is what I see. The pretty FASHOM label in that great purple color. Let's pull out my bundle. Here's what I see. All right, let's do this. So first up is something from Style & Company. Look how cute this is. This is a very stretchy tan denim jacket. That is adorable. Adorable. That'll go with everything. Then I have something from Blush Noir. Blush Noir. This is a little sweater. Oh, look how cute that is. A little scoop neck sweater. That is adorable. And this is a really nice waist. This is going to be great for all seasons. Love that. I love how my stylist pretty much created a little capsule for me. These are all mix and match pieces. Next up, this is cute. This is by Cable and Gauge, and look at this little mesh skirt. How adorable is that? Ruching down the side, little slit. Do you see that ruching? Oh, so very cute. Like this pattern. This is perfect as we get into fall. Will go so nicely with the jacket. Love that. But it looks like it also came with its own top. I love this. Check that out. That is adorable, right? Little top. Can you see it's mesh sleeves? It looks like it has a little bit of a poof here, but I see the ruching, so we'll see what that looks like on. That's see-through, but the body is fully lined. Ooh, I'm excited. This is so cute. And then to finish it all off, I got an accessory. It looks like earrings in here. How cute are these? So these are little huggies. Let me get this out for you. Check these out. They're little silver huggies. Hopefully you can see that with the little rhinestones here. Let me do it this way. How am I going to show these to you? Here we go. Hopefully you can see those. They're in a like rectangle. Are those not adorable? Those are super cute. All right. I am excited about this. I want to show you how they open here just so you can see that. There you go. Adorable, right? So I'm going to get these items on and we're going to see how everything works out. First up, look at these two cute pieces, right? So this is the quintessential wear it anywhere type of item between the skirt and even this cute little sweater top. This skirt, adorable. So it has slits on both sides. So for easy movement. ruching on both sides, which means that you can crinkle this up if you want it a little bit, or you can smooth it out if you wanted to. Totally whatever you want. I think it all goes. It creates such a nice look. It is a mesh fabric, so you can see it is fully lined here. Adorable. Such a great length. The slit is in a nice place, not too high. And you could just pair this now with a denim jacket and a cute flat and go off for a nice weekend, or put on a blazer and a cute heel, and now you've got a work look. You can cover this with everything in between. I love it. So anything from tennis shoes to heels, it'll work with this. Stretchy and comfortable. I want an extra small in both of these pieces. Something you could probably wear all day as well. Let me get closer so you can see this. See that ruching, has a nice waistband, ruching on this side, and this really great pattern, which is basically a neutral. And then paired with this adorable top, all right? So it's got this wider neckline, a shorter sleeve, which means it makes it really great for all seasons as an underlayer if you wanted to, or just wear it by itself in the spring and summer. So, so pretty. Nice and ribbed. You can see I could easily tuck it in, so not too short, but I will show you what it looks like out so you can see that. So longer than it looks, right? So hitting probably right at the bottom of your waistband if you were wearing denim, which this would also look great with. Swap out the bottom for denim and the jacket, you have another look. This would be great, great, great for creating a little weekend capsule getaway where maybe one day you want to be dressy, another day you want to be casual. So many different ways to wear these pieces. It could really go either way. The same with this top, pair it with denim and the jacket, it's going to work. All right, so let's put on this jacket and see how that looks. So this finishes the look perfectly. Love this light tan. Again, a perfect neutral to go with so many things. Swap out the bottom for a jeans skirt, for a black skirt, for a wide leg pant. So many ways to wear it, right? This does have some stretch in it. It is so comfortable. I would say it's a medium weight, which I really enjoy. Has the pockets, buttons down the front. I cuffed the sleeve, but I didn't have to. It's actually a nice length for me. You can see. I love this. What do you think? So, so cute, right? Such an elevated look. And then I do have the earrings on, if you noticed in the last clip. These are cute, perfect little huggy. You could wear these in your first hole or even your second hole if you have one. Adorable. I love this whole look. Elevated chic. All right, so now I just switched out the top and now it looks like I have a dress on, right? How amazing is this? I love it. So chic and easy to wear. Completely different look from whenever I had the white top on, right? So let's take a look at this one. I think it is so adorable. This is the top is exactly the same as the skirt. So fully lined here on the body, mesh here, and a little bit of see-through through the sleeve. It has a little bit of a poof, but not anything too dramatic. It does have ruching. How adorable is that? Wear it tucked in, wear it out. You could add a belt. You could add a blazer. You could add a jean jacket. Perfect. Here's what it looks like out. Just so you get to see that. If you prefer that. And that's all 5 of my pieces. How amazing with this? 5 pieces, $95, valued at $250 or more. They will base it all on your preferences, your sizing, just to get it right for you. No returns, but you can exchange stuff if you pay the shipping fee. So keep that all in mind. And if you'd like $10 towards your next fashion box, use my link and give this service a try and see if it works out for you. I'm really pleased. I think this is amazing. FASHOM is back better than ever, and super happy to be able to share my first collection with you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Let me know what you thought. And there's also, FASHOM is giving away a free box to one of my subscribers. So all you have to do is use my link to get a box, and they will pick one of my subscribers that used my referral link to give a free box to. Even better, a free box. So make sure you use my link. Make sure you try this service out and see if it works for you. Keep all your preferences updated. Make any notes that you need to make sure your stylist knows exactly what you would like to see come in your box. Thank you to FASHOM for letting me share their relaunch box with you. I am super excited about it. I loved all my pieces. Don't forget to use my link to give this service a try if you'd like to. I can't wait to hear what you thought. So comment down below, hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on bringing you new content. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.